So this is Sony A6000 and we are going to do an unboxing video here, so you can check all the description stuff here. So we have got a 32 GB memory card inside. That's a plus, I guess. And let's get into it. Oh, here is the memory card. They glue everything together. I think this is one of the Sony's tough series card, I guess, or the normal one. It's the normal one, but it's pretty fast, I guess, if you look at it. It's pretty great. Alright, let's now open the box. Yes, it's all the paperwork about the lens. So this is, I guess this is these are the lenses, I guess. Not sure what this is actually, but I'm pretty sure this is the zoom lens. Yep, you can see that 55 and to 210. All right, let's keep it here. Where's the kit lens? Oh, it's already in. That's nice. That's pretty compact. Oh, it's pretty neat, man. I didn't know that this will be like this light. Just fits in my palm like a mobile phone. Nice. Let's see what we have on the top. Okay, I think this is the mode selector. This must be the shutter. Some custom buttons. Not sure what does this do yet. Okay, there's the screen. These are the HDMI port housings. Actually, I have no idea about what DSLR camera yet currently, so it's just a basic show you what's happening. This is the NFC point. I'm not sure iPhone has NFC or not. Okay, let's open the lens. Oh, here we are. Hello world. Wow. This is a Wi-Fi, probably a viewfinder. Feels so good in hand, man. Like super. I thought it was going to be bulky. Couldn't believe that this was the actual kit lens. I thought that it's might gonna be bigger, because I used the DSLR in past and it was way lot bigger. I think we need something to protect the screen. It looks fragile, I guess. All right, so, and this is your lens. This is the zoom lens. I think this is pretty compact as well. I guess they will fit in the bag that they have already given me. So let me close the lens. Not sure how to close it actually. If I put it like this, is it closed? It's not closed. All right. Because there is a specific point where I have to suppose. Oh, it's closed now. Nice. Let me put it aside and show you what other stuff we have. I think this is something related to zoom lens probably. I'll check with my friend later what it is. A camera strap. Nice. Charging cable is what it looks like. Oh, the battery. I think I'll need more of these once I start using it. It's original Sony battery. All right. Oh, the viewfinder cap. This is going to be pretty useful. And lastly, we have a USB cable. USB cable. What do we have here? What is that? Oh, that's the battery charger. No, what is that? That's... oh yeah, it's the charger. So battery is going to be charged, I think, when it is inside the camera. So here the actual plug-in will go in. That's the USB cable that we were seeing earlier. So that is all, guys, right now. And this was the bag that I forgot to show you, I guess. This was the bag that they gave me. Sony bag. Pretty basic, I guess. Just check what sort of compartments in there. But I think this will be quite sufficient for the camera. Oh, memory card slot holder, I guess. Yep, I'm pretty sure it will fit the entire camera with the extra lenses. We can try that. We can try. Not sure how to actually put it right now. I can try putting it like this. And then I can try putting it like, because it looks, I think this looks fine, I guess. Not sure how I'm gonna use this or put it. Let's see. And rest of the stuffs can go in the other pockets. Yeah, that's pretty handy, I guess. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video now. I hope it gave you an idea of what a Sony A6000 package looks like when you order it. Alright, peace.